The most famous classic. I pull on Margiela my shoes, yeah. If you step on them, ooh, I get to the wrecking with you. My shooters they hit from the roof.
Alright, so today I'm going to fade up my hair a little bit. I know I'm kind of already like out of one ski, maybe a two. I don't even think I'm out of two. But I'm actually going to fade up the hair ski. Because I know a lot of people don't even know how to use this. A lot of people don't know what open and close is. A lot of people don't know how to really do a fade. A lot of people got lines in their hairs. So we're about to show you how to fade your own head top. Alright, I see you in the bathroom. We in the bathroom, y'all. And the first thing you're going to need is a mirror like this. Like, this is the most helpful mirror if you're going to be cutting your own hair, because you can turn it. I'm going to show you guys those angles just now. Don't mind what's up in my cabinet. I'm going to show you all what you're supposed to do. You got to turn these on an angle. You see how I have these two inward? You know what I mean? Want to build like a little wall here. So basically what this is going to do for you is, in this one you can see, so y'all can see, I can see this side of my head over here. And in this mirror over here, we can see this side of our head. You pretty much understand what I'm saying. You can see your whole self up in this mirror. That's the back. You see what I'm saying? I can see the back from there. You just gotta keep turning. You keep turning. So we're gonna start just now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start right at this, because usually what I do is just hop up in here and start. So I'm gonna just, as if y'all ain't even here. So I usually bring it right up. We bald. We got our, this arm right here. This right here called open. We got it all the way open, which means it's down here. This is closed and this is open. So you want it open. So you can come up over here. You're gonna bring it up right to that that first line, if y'all see what I'm saying. Alright, now y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Usually where I go a little bit of a U right here, just so it's like not a super high fade in the back. And you want to do the same thing on the other side, so it just matches. Alright, so y'all can see, keep it a little low in the back just because that's how I like it. I'm gonna have to fade this in now. Alright, so the next step you want to do is grab your number one. That number one guard. I don't even know if this is going to focus. I'm going to be here all day. Anyways, next step you want to do is grab your number one guard and start working that line out. Because we were just here with this open, we're going to close it and we're going to slap that number one guard on. Try and work that line out. Alright, once I know I'm taking that line up, it's a little bit more blended in, but we're gonna pull this down a little bit, just so we can work up a little more, blend it out a little more. Alright, so y'all can still see there's like a little bit of a line. We're gonna open this again, open that all the way, make sure that's all the way down there. We're just gonna try and go with just a little bit of a corner here, right at the edge there. We're still trying to work that line out. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's still like a little bit of a line. Not really satisfied yet, so we're gonna keep rubbing on it. So you wanna put that number one guard back on there, work on that some more. If you still ain't satisfied with that, close that all the way. And you gotta work at that line a little more. I'm still not satisfied. I don't know if you can see that, but I still ain't that satisfied. So we're gonna pull that a little further down, like right in between all the way closed and all the way open. We're gonna put that halfway and see if that line works out from there. Alright. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Alright, y'all. I'm pretty satisfied with it right now. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta line it up. We gotta line this up now. It's a little high, so I'm gonna have to fade it out a little bit. We're just gonna go with that. All the way closed. We're gonna pull it down a little bit. And then we got all the way open it. Alright, so now that we got that bottom worked out, I'm still not really satisfied with this line. I don't know if y'all can see all that shadow right there. I'm gonna put that one onto here. Got that one guard back on. We got it all the way closed. We're gonna hit this up a little bit. Hopefully that line's gonna come on now. Alright, we're gonna take that guard off. We're gonna go all the way open, lever all the way down, and we're gonna use that corner again, very corner, and try and work that out a little more. Alright. I'm super satisfied right now. Alright, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Super nice, super nice. You'd be at much more of an advantage if you had a 0.5 guard, because then you can keep working with your arm open and closed, get more of an exact fade. But this is as far as I can go right here with this Babyliss Pro, and we're just working with that over and over. Alright guys, let's go see it in the light. This is how my hair turned out, guys. I'm satisfied with it. Super faded. You'd be at much more of an advantage if you had a 0.5 and a 1.5 guard, like I said before. But if you guys want more hair videos, I'll be sure to put more up. Y'all can get more videos up on my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll be back. Stay tuned for more.
Wow, dripping, sauce. Said that I walk really want, leaning, wow. Be what you sipping, huh? Post up, out front. See all my goons in the yard, in the cut. What you want? You ain't want no from my squad. Double up. Be what you got in your cup, Load that.